get crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole. Actually, I have to take these off if I'm gonna have this window open. Okay. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and as you can see, I just woke up. It's pretty late because I spent all of last night and most of this morning braiding my hair for the 24-hour transformation vlog that I am filming. Currently, I'm filming it at the same exact time I'm filming this video. So that will be the next video going up. In this video, I am filming a pack with me, as you can tell by the title, and also a try-on haul because I have some new pieces that I really want to take with me on this next trip, which I am going on tomorrow. So I have videos coming back to back to back. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. First things first, I really want to show you guys, if you haven't, I don't know if I showed you guys like in a video or I've just been talking about it. I got a brand new suitcase and I'm so excited to finally be able to use it. Oh, I did show you guys because when I was cleaning my apartment, I didn't want to put the suitcase up because I was like, I'm going on a trip soon. Well, that trip is finally here. I'm very excited to first off take this wrapper off and to finally pack my new suitcase. I also just purchased some luggage tags, and first of all, I've just been dying to have like a hardback suitcase. I feel like that's like long overdue, especially considering like how often I fly. But yeah, so I'm just taking this little gold ribbon off. Oh, and the clothes behind me, they're behind me because I was too lazy to put it up, and those are the clothes that I need to pack up anyway. And then this little tag here off. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to finally have a new suitcase because my last suitcase is, I mean, it's pretty, but it's just cloth, and like the airport definitely messed it up. Definitely. One time I got it back and like the outside was wet for, I guess from like obviously like the saturation from the plane or something like that. I don't know, but I didn't like that. So I'm excited to have a hard suitcase that they can toss around and it will still look good. This is what the inside of the suitcase looks like. I already have just a bra in here that I said I was going to keep in here. If you've been keeping up with my vlogs, then you already know. If you know, you know. So I have been spending time going on Pinterest, figuring out what I want to wear. And this is basically what I came up with. So yeah, these are the clothes I am about to try to mimic and pack. So let's go ahead and do that.
Your love. PBJ.
So this is what we have so far. This is what I'm wearing to the airport. Just a cute comfy set, and I'm probably going to wear the, you guys can see my mess. I'm probably gonna wear the undershirt or this tank top thing that I have on right now under it. Then I'm wearing it with these shoes that I've been dying to wear because they're so cute. But then, so this is day one, and honestly, using Pinterest made this so much easier. But yeah, so this is day one, and it's just this long black jumpsuit, and I'm actually gonna try it on for you. Okay, here is the jumpsuit. I think it's so cute. I just have to take the tag off of it, but yes, I am 5'7", and girl, it scrunches on the bottom, so I love that. And so I was thinking I could just wear it pretty basically and just style this jacket that I got literally last year. No, I didn't. I got this in the summer. And yeah, so I decided with this, just wear it with like a fanny pack, and then I could just wear it with these. And you know, it's a cute little outfit for what we're doing that day that I will keep a surprise. Okay, and this is an option for day two. Just a simple, cute little black bodysuit that you all saw me wear in Atlanta for my birthday weekend, if you watch those vlogs, but I didn't get a picture in it. So I'm gonna wear it again, maybe. This is just option two, and I think she's cute, really simple, and perfect for where I'm going as well. But I don't want to give you guys, I don't want to give too much away from the trip, so I can't really show you option 1 because then it's kind of like obvious. But yeah, so just know this is option 2 for that day. So I'm bringing a ton of dresses, but you guys already knew that dresses are literally my thing, and you've already seen the other 2 dresses, so I'm not gonna try those on. But this one is my new favorite one, and it's so cute. I love the green in it, and it's not too fitted. It's like airy, so it's like the perfect casual dress. It's literally a casual dress. And yeah, so I can dress it down with like sneakers, or I can dress it nicer with like flat sandals, whatever. And then last but not least, I'm also packing, well, I say last but not least, but like obviously I have like the other stuff, like under stuff to pack and everything, but I'm obviously not gonna show you guys that. But yeah, so last but not least with what I'm showing you guys, I'm also packing this cute set that I got from Shein, and it was in a Shein try on haul. So if you missed that video, definitely be sure to watch that video. But I love it so much. It's like shorts and super cozy on the inside, and then it's a cute sweatshirt, and it's cozy on the outside. I mean, it's cozy on the inside of the sweatshirt as well. But I also love the whole bodysuit with sweatpants look. So I'm also packing just this cute bodysuit, this brown bodysuit that I figured would be really, really cute with these shorts. And yeah, I love the color contrast. I think it's adorable. So yes, that's what I'm packing as well. I'm also washing clothes now because there are some other things that I want to bring that I just need to wash right now. Like, you know, I always love to have workout clothes on hand and just any type of comfy clothes on hand. So that's what I'm washing on top of just like whites and everything. So I just need to do 2 loads of laundry and then I'm completely done, but I can go ahead and pack what we have so far. And I'm gonna do one more quick little pan of the before. I also like to have separate bags for each bag. Like my other suitcase has like all matching bags. Like the toiletries bag matches the suitcase is basically what I'm trying to say. So I got this from Walmart yesterday actually with a few other things, and I got this one to kind of match the bag, and basically it will just stay in the bag with the toiletries that I bring whenever I travel with that bag. I basically just repurchased everything that's already in my other toiletry bag. So I got some lotion, and I got 2 of these. I also got the floss picks and whatever the other thing is. And I got some Dove body wash as well as Native deodorant, and I love these, so I always buy these in bulk. So I'll just go ahead and put both of these in this bag. I also just got some new toothpaste to go with my travel toothbrush, because I hate the toothpaste that comes in with the travel toothbrush. It's like kitty toothpaste. I can't. My teeth do not feel fresh after that. So I got more toothpaste to go with that. And then here is the body cream. This body cream is from Dollar Tree. This is the most underrated body cream ever. It's so thick and it smells so good. I have a blue unscented, or it's not unscented. It just smells like fresh, the fresh scent. It smells like that. So I have that one for my other bag, and this one I haven't used yet because I've been waiting to pack it in this bag. So I'm also bringing that. Other than that, all I need to pack is my makeup, but I haven't decided if I'm doing like makeup for the other video I'm filming now, so I'm not packing that just yet, but that will be packed as well. So this is the final product for now. Like I said, I'm still waiting on like my socks and everything else to finish in the dryer, but that would literally be such an easy fit. Also, what I love about the suitcase is that I can make it like wider, so it will make zipping it up a lot easier. Once I get to that part, actually I'm about to zip it up right now. Yeah, we should definitely zip it up because the only thing I'm waiting on is like socks and stuff, and that's like 2 loads, so I'm not waiting to finish this video. I'm not waiting 2 loads to finish this video. I have another video to film. So this is We finally getting to zip her up. She's so cute. And I can actually take this off too. Yes, so cute. And I can finally use one of these. I think it only makes sense to use this one on the flight for the suitcase that I plan to fly with, and then I'll put this one on the other suitcase because this kind of gives more road trip vibes, and that's what I'll be using the other suitcase for. And I'm not even filling out the back, so it's really just for looks. And you typically wouldn't put this on the carry-on because you have the carry-on with you, but you would typically put this on the bigger suitcase, but I don't really fly with the bigger suitcase, so I only fly with carry-ons. So I'll just go ahead and make my carry-on bag as cute as possible. Did I do this right? No, I did it backwards. There we go. She's so cute. You can't even see it. Yes, I think it's so cute. And this is the final product. I didn't even have to pack this because this is what I'm wearing to the airport. And I decided I could just wear this jacket on top of this set and to be even more comfortable. But yes, so that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are excited for whatever trip I'm about to go on, another road trip, guys, another road trip with us, then stay tuned for those videos because they will be coming very soon. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye, guys.